Want simple AI websites that actually help you make money without being a coder or marketer? In this video, I'll show 5 real AI sites people use to earn $50 to $200 a day if they follow the exact steps I share. I'll include the realistic way to charge, where to get clients, and the exact pitch you can copy. Let's get started. Welcome to TechMoneyLab. You want practical AI plus tech ways to earn online? Subscribe and hit the bell. Now number 1. Copy.ai Writing and Microservices. Copy.ai is a writing assistant that accelerates content creation, blog posts, social captions, product descriptions. Here's a repeatable method. 1. Create a Fiverr or Upwork Gig offering 1x 600 word blog post $40 to $60. 2. Use Copy.ai to draft the article in 10 to 15 minutes. Tweak for quality, deliver. Real example, if you complete 3 posts per day at $35 each, that's $105. Key niche down, for example, fintech, crypto tools, and use quick research prompts in Copy.ai to keep quality high. Show Copy.ai dashboard and a sample output while you narrate. 2. Pictory.ai faceless video production and client work. Pictory turns text into video. You can package a 3 to 6 minutes explainer and sell it as a content creation service, or create your own YouTube videos and monetize them. Workflow: take a short script, paste into Pictory, auto-generate B-roll and captions, add AI voice. Example, charge $75 per explainer video on Fiverr. Deliver 2 videos or week, equal $600 month. If you scale to 2 per day, you hit $100 plus per day. Show Pictory converting a script into footage. 3. Synthesia corporate style AI avatars. Synthesia creates talking head AI avatars. Companies pay for training or explainer videos. How to monetize: create a short demo for a small business. Pricing: $150 to $300, depending on script and revisions. Use an outreach DM template. Hi, and create an explainer video for your product in 48 hours. Sample attached cost: $200. Show a Synthesia avatar speaking a line from your demo. 4. Notion AI templates and knowledge products. Notion AI helps build premium templates and systems, productivity dashboards, SOPs, client onboarding flows. People sell Notion templates on Gumroad or Etsy for $20 to $60. You sell 5 to 10 templates a month, or do client installs at $100 each. This quickly becomes $100 per day portfolio income when combined with other offerings. Show a Notion dashboard and a template listing. 5. ChatGPT plus Canva productize microservices and digital goods. ChatGPT writes content, email sequences, or product descriptions. Canva turns those into social packs, lead magnets, or digital products for Etsy or Fiverr. Example streams: sell 30 Instagram caption pack plus images for $50, or create a $7 PDF guide. Volume plus automation: 2 to 3 small sales or day hits the $100 mark. Show ChatGPT prompt and Canva template edit. These are real methods people use, not get rich quick tricks. Results depend on work, niche selection, and client outreach. If you want the exact gig description, cover message, and ChatGPT prompts I use, comment copy below. I'll post them in the description. Like this video, subscribe for weekly AI income tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Quick end card with subscribe prompt and suggestions.